This week here, what I'm responsible for is science camp at USC Sumter. The last 2 summers, I've had the opportunity and the privilege to work with Christine Lauder up at USC Columbia on professional development, where we trained teachers from around the state in a grant that she had obtained. And as a part of working with that team, we had the mobile science lab come out from the Greenwood Genetics Center to help with the teachers. And I asked them, and they were kind enough to get us on their schedule to come out to science camp here at USC Sumter this year. They extracted DNA from split peas, which was really a nice activity because we extracted their DNA earlier this week from their cheek cells, so they're able to see that the DNA looks the same and that all living organisms have genetic material. And then after that, they worked on karyotypes, learning about different chromosomal disorders, how many normal chromosomes numbers are in humans under normal conditions, and how those numbers can change, which can cause things like Down syndrome, where they can have an extra chromosome 21, trisomy 21, and some other chromosomal abnormalities as well, due to problems with the chromosome numbers. While half the group was doing that, the other half was dissecting frogs. And the main thing at this age, they're so young and impressionable, and so it's helpful just to kind of expose them to these things, hopefully get them excited about some aspect of science. And with the frogs, it was just so for some of these students, the first time they really looked inside a living thing like they did today. So just to kind of be aware of, wow, you know, a frog's insides, they have the same organs, a lot of the same organs as humans do, and just to identify some of the common organs that they're familiar with in their own bodies and see them actually in the frogs and learn a little bit about what the function of these organs are. I think during the school year, teachers are so busy trying to accomplish certain tasks to try to fulfill the standards that are out there. And I think sometimes they can't do some of the experiments maybe that they would like to do. And what's nice about summer camp is you don't have these standards, and you're not restricted with time, and so you can pretty much do experiments and just let the students explore, where other times, due to time constraints, you kind of have to cut them off during the school year and move on to other things. But having the time to just explore and have fun, that is the main thing. If they can just have fun, they're always going to learn a few things, but we want them to have fun and turn them on to science.